Now let's go ahead and have a look at the post frequency. Now, generally speaking, the post frequency is very important to you, especially when you rapidly want to create posts. Generally speaking, you define here in this stage how many times you want to be posting. For example, 2 to 3 times per day, or let's define this as 4 times per week. I only want to be posting on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And the maximum number of posts, let's define that as 2 posts per day at this stage. Now, effectively, what you did here very quickly is already do everything that needs to be done, but it's important now for you to understand why you do it. So effectively in the post creation flow later down this line of using VirtusNova, you will be able to identify that you can effectively schedule posts into the future, and they will automatically go live at a defined point in time. Effectively, let's say you take half an hour per month to look at VirtusNova. Now, let's say you take half an hour and schedule posts for the next month or so. Effectively, you will run into the thought process problem of not remembering which days and which weeks you already created posts and which weeks actually still need to have posts. Now, based on the post frequency that you've defined here, we will be able to subtract from your choices as to when you want to be posting and scheduling into the future. We will subtract the weeks, which in this case, here already have 4 posts per week. We will only show you available times on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday if you select a specific choice. And here, if you already have 2 posts on, for example, a Monday, we won't be showing you Monday. Now, of course, you still have the overall flexibility to post whenever you want, but there is generally the option to have VirtusNova recommend the best days and time. There's generally the option within VirtusNova to have a system suggest to you the dates and times. And this is specifically where the post frequency comes into play. So here we typically say that for best results, keep it to a maximum of 2 to 3 posts per day. And typically people post, depending on the size of your business and the size of your brands, typically we see 3 posts per week and no more than necessarily 2 to 3 posts per day, because otherwise the algorithm of the social media channel will really look at your content, and if there's no value within it, then you actually get penalized. So make sure that this over here is not too much and not too little, and that you're actually able to also keep this frequency alive.